Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to enable direct messages on TikTok. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you have changed your privacy setting on TikTok. Open your TikTok apps.
Mana nih yang masih suka?
And then hit the profile button. After that, you have to tap the three-line icon in the top right in the corner and go to settings and privacy. In this settings and privacy page, you have to tap privacy here. Then scroll it down until you find direct messages and tap on it. In this page, you can control who can send you direct message. And here, I choose friends. Only my friends can send me a direct message. That means you need to follow each other for users to communicate with you privately. It doesn't matter if you have a private or public profile. To keep a user from sending you a private message, you can simply unfollow or remove them from your followers. And if you choose no one, that means no one can send you a direct message on TikTok. So guys, that's all from me. Thanks for watching this video. I'm waiting for your response in the comment box below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.